Just a quick tip, if you are using bash, the process is almost the same. Just type vin /dot. Now you write bash underscore profile. Please enter, and then you insert I to insert the path, and then you go into your Flutter website, copy this path, paste it right here, and now you have to change the path. So instead of using this developer folder, you have to use the Flutter dev SDK. Then just click on escape, and then use the semicolon WQ exclamation mark, and then press enter, and this will update your path to your Flutter SDK. After that, you can close the terminal and just open again and use the command flutter doctor, and this will download and install the required dependencies for your SDK, and will also tell you what software do you need to install. So this is a short video update for the person that are using the bash shell instead of the Z shell. So this is it for this video. See you on the next one.